Are you confused on what college to get into?
Then let's explore Baisu.
Welcome to Hall Island State University main campus, a place where education meets opportunity and dreams begin to take shape. The university is committed to providing quality education while helping students develop the knowledge and skills they need for the future.
Oh, hello, friend.
So,
So, what have you been currently discovered in Baiso?
I discovered a lot new things. Like as an computer engineering student, I learned how to operate a motherboard and how to add some components in the shop room here in Baiso. And I also learned how to run a program, but I'm still learning because it's kind of difficult.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, in Baiso, we can change that.
Here at Baisu, students are encouraged to develop their knowledge through both learning and practice. Classroom discussions allow students to share ideas and understand lessons more deeply. Laboratory activities and project-based learning help students apply what they learn in real situations. If at Baisu goes beyond academics, students participate in various activities that encourage leadership, teamwork, and personal growth. From student organizations to campus events and sports activities, students are given opportunities to explore their interests and build meaningful experiences during their time in the university. Here, students become part of a supportive and active campus community.
Begin your journey and discover the opportunities waiting for you here